Hey, I'm Alex, and wait, I have a letter for you. I think someone wants you to know that today in this video we're gonna make sure that you learn how to make empanadas. Ingredients. But first, I want to tell you the filling I'm using. You don't have to use that for your empanadas. You can use something else because to make an empanada is basically making a sandwich. You could put whatever inside. But first, we need Goya empanada dough, some mozzarella, 4 eggs, ham, and we're gonna need a brush, a fork, and egg boiler machine. I'm gonna grab 3 out of the 4 eggs I put out and put them in my egg boiler. I'll wait until they're hard boiled, and then I'll proceed to the next step. After boiling the eggs, I'll grab 4 or 5 slices of ham and cut them all up into tiny pieces. After I'm finishing cutting them all, I'll put them in a bowl for later. Now let's get to the mozzarella. We're gonna grab our mozzarella bag and put them in a bowl. Yeah, that's basically it for mozzarella. There's nothing too much we're gonna do. After we sliced up our ham and we have our mozzarella in the bowl, we're gonna grab our eggs. And we're gonna grab a bowl and we're gonna put water first, cold water, then ice cubes, and we're gonna put the eggs inside. Okay, we're gonna start cracking these eggs so we can unpeel them. And if you're wondering why do we need ice, it's basically just to get the egg shells out and the egg won't be so hot because it just got out of the boiler. And now we got our unshelled eggs. We're gonna put them in an egg slicer, just like our ham, and we're gonna slice them into tiny cubes or tiny cubes. And after we're doing that, we put that into a bowl. Now that we have finished making the filling for our empanadas, we just want to grab a big bowl and a spoon and put all the cheese, egg, and ham inside the bowl and move it around. Make sure it's very moved. Words, English, yes. Okay, now we just need to grab an empanada disc, grab water, bit of water, and halfway, not fully, don't put water on the sides halfway, and then put in the filling. Then close it with your hands, and then grab a fork and press down the edges, and boom. Now grabbing our last final egg, we're gonna crack it. We're gonna do the steps for like making scrambles. Just crack it, whisk it around, and after we're done whisking it around, grab your brush, put your brush inside the egg yolk, drain it a little bit. You don't want to be like too much on it, and paint it on the already filled in empanada. And grab your grab your fork. Make tiny holes. Don't press it in. Don't make holes. Just like lightly press it on the empanada so that it can breathe. Okay, after making a bit more empanadas uncooked, we're gonna put our oven at 350 degrees. Put it in and wait a good 25 minutes. Check it every 5 minutes just to be sure it's not, well, burnt. And you should be done. If you got all that down, you should have cooked really good empanadas. And like I said earlier, empanadas, the recipe I did, that's not, you could, if you don't like cheese or you're lactose intolerant, you can make a different type of filling, like tuna with jalapenos and a hard-boiled egg inside. That's the only one I know. I only know 2 fillings for empanadas. I don't know that much, but yeah. I hope you like this video. And last video I made garbanzos with rice, lima style. I hope you want to watch. I hope you do want to watch that, and I'll see you later. Ciao.